successful trading is not about charts, it's not about fundamental analysis. It is how you think when you are in a position.
My edge, meaning a higher probability of one thing happening over another, is simply going to give me a higher win rate over a series of trades. I don't know which one's going to win or which one's going to lose.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is Samuel. It's been a minute, and it's like 2:55 a.m. 27 January 2025, and I just thought that maybe let me do a breakdown on VIX 75 1S. Okay, so basically, this is what I look for in the market in order to execute a trade. So I look for a sweep. This is a scenario for a buy, and I look for a protected load to be created by virtue of this first break of structure, by reason of break of structure and second break of structure, which creates liquidity low, and I draw my POI like this, execute when market is there, and I wait for my TP. This is for a buy scenario, and this is for a sell scenario. So market is uh market sorry market is in an uptrend like this. I want a sweep to happen. I want a break of structure. I want a liquidity load to be created, and I want a second break of structure. Oh, and by the way, uh this pullback that happens, this one should be more than 50%, not lower, more, but should not exceed the height of this sweep. So it should be here. Same thing here. If you pull out your fib, it should be here, but not lower than the sweep there. So this is my pattern, and it's what I look for in the market. By the way, I did not create this strategy, I just learned it somewhere. So when this happens, when this happens, um, when this happens, guys, all I'm waiting for is, of course, uh, this is your predicted high, it's your structural liquidity, and your POI is in between these two. So all I wait for is a pullback. I go to the 5 minutes, look for my 5-minute candle confirmation, execute, wait for TP. That's it. Okay, that's it. So this is what we'll be looking for in this chart. Okay. So this is VIX 75 1S, and we're starting from the daily. So what we can see is that market was in a steady uptrend, okay, creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, high, break of structure, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So what are we expecting? Lower high and a lower low. That's what we're expecting. So now if I am to show you, like the way I said, we are looking for this pattern in order to execute a sell. Okay, we are looking for this pattern to execute a sell. Like this. Okay, this is what we're looking for. So when you open your charts, you have to identify the trend, and that's what we have just done on the daily. Okay, so I use 5 time frames: the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 15, and the 5. These are the time frames I use. So the daily, I use it to tell the trend. In this case, we are able to tell that for the most part, the long-term trend is sales. Okay, this is what is more likely to happen. Okay, and of course, we have to also take in mind the discount and premium ranges that we have been teaching you in these other YouTube videos that I've done. So you see when it broke structure here, when market broke structure, it made a 50% retracement. Okay, market broke structure again, market broke structure again there, and instead of making a 50% retracement, it broke structure to the downside. So now this is what we would call um, change character. Okay, so what are we anticipating? We're anticipating a pullback 50%, and then a sell to the downside. Okay, so now for us to sell, we look for the pattern that I just showed you. All right, so that's it for the daily. We've identified the, the trend and what is likely to happen, which is that market is likely to make a pullback into these ranges. Okay, so let's go to the 4 hour. So for the 4 hour, we can start from where market started going down from, which is here. So we can see there was break of structure, exchange of character, and here is where that pattern I showed you has presented itself here. So can you see? We have a sweep, we have a break of structure, we have another break of structure, which creates structural liquidity there. And by the way, remember the fib levels I told you about? So this one qualifies. Okay, this one qualifies because it made the 50% retracement there. Okay, of course, this is our protected high. Like this is our pattern. You can see it, right? This is the line chart, candlestick chart. So if you draw out your POI like this, okay, you will also realize that this is in line with our overall concept of discounted premium ranges, because this is a discount and we want to be buying here. This is our range from here to here, because market started pushing down here and market is pushing to the upside there. So this is our range. Boom, boom. Okay. And this is our discount ranges. So we want to buy in these ranges and sell above the 50% there. So with that being said, guys, we are anticipating for price. Okay. We eventually push into this POI and sell to take out this low 5494.8500. Okay, so this is what overall we are anticipating. So now we could be involved in a few buys, okay, because this is a valid uptrend. I don't know how to draw trend lines, guys. Should teach me. This is a valid uptrend, okay? These are not trend lines. I'm just showing you that this is in an uptrend, okay? I don't know how to trend line. So this is a valid uptrend. Of course, we're anticipating market to push into here, where we would look for sales when market is in there. But as of now, we could be buying because there's there's a lot of pips here, okay? Until market reaches there, there's a lot of pips. So now we can look for a pattern for buys, okay? Even though this price action is not so fun, this one looks rangy, okay? Look at these weeks, it's not so good. But let me just show you what I do. So let's go on the 1 hour to look for the buy pattern. You can't remember it. Go back to the video screenshot and then tell me. So can you see the pattern from here, guys? Because I can. If you can't, maybe this can help. Is it helping? I hope so. So this is it. Okay, we had market breaking structures to the upside like this. Boom, boom, like that. There are some others that I've skipped, but it's fine because we already understand this is an update. So we have a sweep here. Okay, we have a first break of structure which validates this as a protected low. Without the break of structure, this is not a protected low. Okay, so we mark this protected low. We have a second break of structure which validates this as our structural liquidity. Structural liquidity is a level, it's an inducement level that we look for. We are waiting for market to take out, to induce people, take out, and then it goes our way. Okay, so the first break of structure validates this one. Okay, the second one validates this one. So now there is condition to this, which is that it should make more than 50%, but it cannot be equal or lower than this one. Like, what I mean is this. once you have a sweep, first break of structure, this retracement cannot be less than 50% and cannot be equal to this one or lower than this one. It must be somewhere here, so that breaks again, you can draw your POI there like that. Okay, so there you have it, guys. This is my POI, and this is good. This is cool because remember, you want to be far away from this nonsense of noise of price action. Okay, price is not going anywhere here. It's just rangy. You want to be far away. Um, you want to be far away from this nonsense. And I'm looking for something. Looking for this curve. Okay, so we could look forward to seeing market take out all this liquidity that has been created, and then we would be going long here, stop loss there. That's how you do it, and then target these highs. But of course, like I said, we would be anticipating market to reach as far as that. But just take what you have. 1 to 8 is it's a good move. Oh, sorry, it's going to be like 1 to 4, 1 to 5 risk to reward, which is kind of cool. I will be executing this one, by the way. So we have to wait and see. I don't do limit orders. I wait for market to come here. And when it enters in this POI, I'll go to the 5 minutes and look for my candlestick confirmation, execute, and wait for TP 1 to 5, somewhere there. Okay. So that's it, guys. Make sure you like, you subscribe, share with your friends, share with your family, and then as you can see, this is like a whole new method, and I've been trying to figure out how best I can teach this on my YouTube channel. So I'll be like taking 2-3 people from you guys who watch my videos, and I just want to teach you guys this system, this strategy for free. So 2-3 people inbox me, hit me up, WhatsApp, Telegram at Philosopher 101. Okay, Philosopher 101 on Telegram. And then I'll put out my WhatsApp here. Okay, so that you can just hit me up there. Or you can also hit me up on Twitter at Samo Songwe. You can hit me up on Twitter and just text me and say, bro, I saw your video and you said you would teach for free. So I'll teach 1-3 people. So especially if you're a lady, I want to teach ladies also. I want to see if uh, I want to see if the way I'm trying to structure it is easy for everyone to understand. And then from there I can go on and put it up and make it public. But this is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching and waiting for me to put up new content. Thanks, guys. Shalom.